This is the continuation to our previous video, and we will be putting the remaining fixture. We can mirror this by choosing pickaxes, and then we will move it to the corner. Similarly, for flipping, we can use the space bar to flip. Now the door, windows, and the basic fixtures are complete, and we will go to the kitchen. And then we can also uh, pick the dryer and the washer. So for the sink, I'm going to load it from the Autodesk family. We will type counter and we can choose this one. So what we will do, we will rotate this by 90 degree and then we will flip it. We can also load the refrigerator and the stove. We can search for cook. Yes. Now we have two type of families for the windows. One is double and single hung. So if we can see, we cannot see the windows below for now. So we will apply transparency to the walls, for example, around 60%, and then we can see the windows. So we will select both of the windows and load it. We can change the width and height. For example, for this, this is 3 feet by 3 feet 2 inches. So we can change it, but for now we will leave it as it is. We can also load the bifold door, which is 6 feet by 6 feet 8 inches. Now our basic door windows are complete. We will be later on doing the setting and elevation, but for now we will just uh, keep it up to 2D. As we can see, the walls are unconnected, and what we have to do is to connect this to level 2. So it will be connected to level 2, and now uh, it will be in proper alignment with level 2. So if we can change the height to 11 feet, it will be changing according to the level. So we have to keep this 10 feet for now. We will remove the transparency back, and now do the room naming. So this is the room tag we will be picking. So for example, this is master bedroom. As we can see, the tags are very high. So we'll change the scale to, for example, a quarter inch. And maybe we can capitalize the letters. This is bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 3. Let's say this is a mechanical room, and for example, this is like D. This is bath. This is master bath. Closet. We can also rotate the text to vertical if we need it for some of them. Now for the kitchen, we need to provide the room separator, because if we choose if we do not choose room separator, it will pick all the inner area. Since we do not have any wall separation, so we will first apply some separation, and for hallway we have to also provide the room separation. And similarly, we have to provide it for the kitchen. Now, if we put the tag, it will check, pick the separation. Let's say this is dining and this is great room. And now what we can do is duplicate this view, and we will hide the CAD file, and we can also create the color theme. For that, we will go to the annotate tab, then pick color scheme. And since we have the room names, so we can choose the rooms and department by name. So it will pick all the rooms and by name. Secondly, we have not given any tag for the hallway. So we will give that, and it will be automatically updated here. We can also click on the tag and select areas checked. So it will give all the areas for the each room. And we will be continuing the remaining series in the coming videos.